Ever wondered how some people seem to be globe-trotting constantly without breaking the bank? Here's their secret: credit card rewards, loyalty programs, and travel hacking. Yes, you heard it right. Free travel. Start by choosing a credit card with the best travel rewards. Each dollar you spend could be an airline mile or a hotel point. Be strategic about your spending. Pay your bills, dine out, fill up the gas tank. Just remember, always pay off your balances on time. Next, sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs. Consistency is key here. Stick to your chosen airlines and hotels to rack up those points and miles. Finally, learn the art of travel hacking. This involves leveraging points, miles, and rewards to score free flights, hotel stays, and even upgrades. A real-life example? Meet John. He's been flying first class and staying in 5-star hotels for the past 3 years, all thanks to his savvy use of rewards and travel hacking. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Start your journey towards free travel today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing hacks. And hey, if you've got your own travel hack stories, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring.